Command helps me with my business because I'm able to input my contacts and my leads, so I never lose another lead or buyer or seller. What was happening before Command was I would put everything in a green file folder that said prospecting. And that folder I would never have time to refer back to. So I had to come up with a new system. If I have a hot lead, I will download a SmartPlan from the Command library, make it my own, and then put that hot lead on that plan for 2 weeks where I'm reaching out to them because people are busy. And then after that, I'll go ahead and have it automatically go to a 12-month buyer or seller plan. So you can put triggers in there. And then I have a trigger at the end of the plan. That's when the plan is over, it would automatically put them onto a long-term plan. So I'm not losing them. And the other way that Command helps me is that I have a Command on the Go app on my phone. So I'm able to input those contacts if I'm out of the office, put it on my to-do list to add them to a smart plan later, or I can even add them to a smart plan on my phone. So now the mobile Command has been amazing to give me a lot more flexibility to not lose contacts and future business.